Working in a IT major after my graduation, I saw that you can earn a lot of money, but your work doesn't get reflected on the masses you live amongst. And most of us from IT don't get that opportunity to work for the country. Directly, our software solutions or technological solutions are not implemented if you are not chosen to implement them. So I had to take a call that life was virtually then for me it was earning a lot of money for the family, but then I was not deriving pleasure because the impact on the society was zero. So I decided to move on to the civil services. That was a very strong push from my inside